As I recover from Spain, and the little bonus souvenir I picked up there, I've been thinking about travel, about reality, and about the absolute nonsense called the carry-on cult. Welcome back to Journeys of Peace. Do you know how refreshing it was to be back in Europe, where people understood minimalism as a lifestyle and not something to drone on and on and on about YouTube? Their small bags aren't just packed more efficiently, they're packed in a way that can't be used to continue to guilt everyone into thinking they're actually hacking the system with a one-bag-fits-all carry-on. Because guess what? The airlines in Europe started making people pay for carry-ons like 5 years ago. You know the type. I fit 3 weeks of outfits into this one bag that slides under the seat. Yeah, if your entire wardrobe is made of tissue paper and delusion. Meanwhile, in the real world, people who can actually afford travel upgrades get free checked bags. People flying economy to Italy. They check their bags, hop into a car service, and let the driver handle it. That's called living smarter, not suffering harder. And these miracle backpacks? They're not miracles. They're chiropractic bills waiting to happen. Mine barely fit anywhere. The gate agent threatened to check it, and if that had happened, bye-bye medication, hello airport floor breakdown. But hey, at least I'd be carry-on only, right? And unless you're flying business or first, your cute little wheeled carry-on is not making it on board. International economy? It's a gladiator match for bin space. Iberia out of Madrid? It's Pamplona with roller bags. The carry-on cult wants you to believe you'll save time. Newsflash. You still have to wait for customs. You still have to get through security. And if your flight gets delayed 20 hours because your pilot gets arrested, true story, that little backpack is not saving you. So yeah, the carry-on cult is basically a religion of suffering. And guess what? I'm an apostate. Checked bags are back, baby. So if you're ready to leave the cult, pack a real suitcase and stop dragging your life across cobblestones, hit like, smash subscribe. Because this is a checked bag channel now, and we roll deep.